Hello guys, it's Ibuana Twin Mom here. So today's video, I just wanted to show you a very quick, healthy, very easy salad to make. So guys, what I have here is the so-called spiralizer. You can buy this anywhere in the store, like Canadian Tire, Walmart, or even Amazon. But you don't have to really use this if you don't have, you don't have to slice your zucchini in a spiralizer. You can just use the regular knife and just cut it nice and thin. But since we have the spiralizer, so I am going to use the spiralizer to spiralize my zucchini, because it looks really nice. It looks really fancy, guys, when you see the outcome after I spiralize the zucchini. So you can really see the difference. The presentation is much better, you know. So I am going to show you how this spiralizer worked. So yeah, it is, when it's closed, it's like that. So you have to open up the spiralizer and you attach the zucchini. So you have to make sure that this part here is flat to hold up over here, so that the zucchini will attach nicely to the spiralizer like this. And then you push it in like that. So now let's start doing our zucchini. So just gonna hold it over here. So guys, as you can see, the zucchini is already starting to come out and it's already spiralized. It becomes like a long piece. So you just have to keep going until it all finishes. So this is a manual spiralizer. I am not quite sure if there is any other kind available out there, but this is what we have, just a manual one. So as you can see, guys, look, I got my zucchini spiralized and I'm going to continue doing it. I apologize, I just have a small plate that I have to use there, but you know, you can always use anything. There you go. See how nice? So I'm using a yellow zucchini, but you can also use a green one if you prefer. But since I have this yellow zucchini there in the fridge, just wanted to use it. I just don't want to waste it, so that's why I have it there. That's why I use it, and it looks really nice too anyway. So there you go. So for a one-person salad, for a salad that's good for one person, I think one zucchini is enough. So you don't have to have so much, because you know you have to consume right away the spiralized zucchini as soon as you finish. Look at this, guys. Look at that nice zucchini. Yeah, it is a spiralized zucchini, ready to go for my salad. And let's put the rest of our ingredients. I have the lemon here, so I'm going to put this on the side. Okay, so now we have our cherry tomatoes that we have sliced. So I'm just gonna put this in. I'm just gonna put them on, I should say. Put them on the zucchini nicely, like that. Like this. And let's squeeze some nice lemon. This is going to be my lunch. Yeah, you see that nice juice, guys, of the lemon? Oh, look at that nice juice. Yeah, just like that. And you know, you can always add more on the side if you prefer. Okay, I have a few more little tomatoes here. See guys, look there. I'm going to just put them on the top like that. And now we have our can of tuna. This here, this is a can of tuna. I'm going to open this up. Going to put this on our zucchini. There you go, like that. So like I said, you can always put 2 cans if you like. This is a very small can, guys. This is only a yeah, I think this is the smallest. This is the smallest size, guys. This is the Calipo kind, the Calipo brand, but there's a lot of different varieties of brands out there, you know, so it's up to you what you want to use. So now I have put in already the tuna, the cherry tomato. So now I am going to put an olive oil in this. You don't have to be scared with olive oil. Put it right on as much as you want. Olive oil, the good thing about this, it is very healthy, especially the cold pressed olive oil. So you don't have to be scared, guys, with the olive oil. You can put a lot like that. And next is the pepper. Yeah, just put them right on. Unlimited ground black pepper on the salad, just like that. Yeah, and you need a little bit of happiness in our tongue, so the salt, a little bit, just a little dash there, just like that. You don't need a lot. You really don't need a lot of salt, guys, just very little, because the tuna has already a little bit of salt in it, and you have the lemon, so it's good enough. So since I've already put in the tuna, I'm going to squeeze in another lemon like this. There you go. Healthy zucchini and tuna salad. There you go. And guys, it's an optional thing. You can also add green onions or a little bit of parsley if you like. So it is your choice, really. Both, right? So I'm going to put a parsley. I went to get a few parsley in the garden, so I'm going to put the parsley here on the top, just like that, and drizzle it with a few olive oil again. Like I said, unlimited olive oil. It's not gonna go bad. There's nothing wrong of putting lots of olive oil in the salad. So guys, our salad is ready and it looks really good. So you see how nice salad, guys? Here you go, a perfect zucchini and tuna salad. So healthy, so fresh, so quick, very easy to make. There you go, guys. So you don't have to spend a lot of money buying food outside. Just make that very quick salad. Believe me, it is less than 10 minutes. You have the salad. Just from the moment you wash the zucchini, you wash the tomatoes, you slice the zucchini or spiralize the zucchini. Guys, believe me, it's less than 10 minutes. You have this nice, healthy salad right in front of your eyes, and so perfect for our body. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you are going to try this salad in your home. And please don't forget to like the video or to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. I am very free for that. I am very open for any suggestions. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and please don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll get notified for my next new upload. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you're having a great day, and I'm going to enjoy my salad now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye for now.